I'm going super slow because I'm in the forest here, going on the back road to go to the entrance, and I don't want any like moose or anything jumping out of nowhere, so I'm doing like 30 miles per hour here. So yeah, I should be there pretty soon, and then I'll just reinflate the tires and I'll be ready to go. I'll wait for the daylight to show up, and then I'll be on my way. Climbing up the mountain here, Glacier Mountain, and it is pouring. The rain just keeps raining and raining, so it's really cloudy, so you can't really see much. You have to pay attention at the road anyway. It's pretty like you're right by the edge here. It's pretty nice. Yeah, kind of a bummer that it's all cloudy, but oh well. I'll keep going all the way to Logan Pass. I think that's all the way to the top point of the park, and I don't know, maybe I'll be above the cloud. We'll see. I doubt it, but who knows? So I'll keep driving. foggy, can't see anything. It's crazy. I'm doing like, I don't know, like 10 miles per hour, and now I'm at the top at the Logan Pass. But really, there's only fog to see right now. So this is the view at Logan Pass. Cloud and fog. So I'm still doing this little loop hike here, along here. So it's windy, rainy and cold. Yeah, exactly. Rough neighborhood. So I'm here anyway, so I think I'm gonna stay here a little bit. Maybe it's gonna clear up. I doubt it, but so I'm gonna make some tea and a warm up. And the visitor center is closed, so I can't get in. So, but they have some covers here, so I'll do that. So I am back in a Jeep and I am freezing. It's really cold outside, it's windy, rainy, foggy, you name it. So I was out for a little bit, explore a little bit the Logan Pass here, and took some pictures and a video. I have some pretty cool time lapse. So now I'm going down to the other side of the park, and then I'll decide what I want to do. Hopefully I can find a cafe or a bar or something where I can drink something something warm. I had a tea earlier with the glacier water. Yeah, I couldn't tell the difference in taste of my tea. So anyway, on my way down in the fog. So talk to you later. Comes and go. It's like 1 second it's clear, and then next thing you know, you can't see anything anymore. It was really nice nonetheless. There, it would be definitely worth going back during like a nice day if it's when it's sunny, so you can see all the peaks, all the mountains. But even with the cloud and the rain, I mean, it was still pretty nice. I mean, the road is really nice. Like drop off are crazy though, but really nice. So yeah, so now I'm going to find a place to warm up and decide where I'm gonna go next. So it is only 2 p.m. and I stopped in a little town north of here, tried to have lunch, and I don't know, it just took too long. So I just moved on and I found a camp spot, the one I was recommended, the Two Medicine Lake, and I found a spot. Yeah, you can't really tell here, but I'll show you around. I mean, it's pretty crowded. It's part of the national park, so, but hey, that's fine. I'm tired. Woke up at 4:30 this morning, so and it was a pretty nice day, even if it was raining up there in the Glacier National Park. So yeah, I'm gonna put my awning up today because it's windy and I have the feeling it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna do that right now and then just relax. So this is the setup for tonight and this is the view. So like I was saying, it's pretty busy campground but a national park, but it's not too bad, and that's the view I have. So yeah, again, could be worse. So, and the lake is right there in the back, so we're thinking about going swimming, but it's really windy again, so I don't think that would be a good idea, unless the sun comes out at some point, but I doubt it. Oh, and I see some snow back there. Back there. It's everywhere. No wonder it's cold. Anyway, so yeah, tonight, and I put the tarp today because yesterday was yeah, it rained a lot and it started at the end of the day, so maybe that's gonna happen again today, but I don't want to take any chance, and it was early, so yep, so I'm just gonna hang out, have a late lunch and relax with this view.